Oh, there, my man, 1961 there, just acquired a, oh dear, there we go, it's a number HS4 Stronghold by Squire. Seriously beefy lock. And yes, I know they can be picked very easy, but they'll keep your local chavs out of your stuff. And ne'er-do-wells. This has got a B1 stamped on it, and I believe it's ex-military. I think this is the let's just focus that a bit better. I think that's the military stamp, and the fellow I got it off was selling other army stuff, ex-army gear, so it looks like it's ex MOD. Very nice. Here's the key. It's not the original key. Oh, where's the off? There we go. This is a Silker. So I'm going to get another. There's only one key, so I'm going to get another one cut. Let's get it in the right way. Oh, don't mess with me. Did I turn? I twisted the thing round. There's an anti. 2 seconds, people. There it is. Right, that's in. Turn the key. The hasp pops open. You can see, well, serious bit of. And, if we can get the right light, you can see down there is an Allen bolt which drops out the mechanism for adjusting. Slide back in. And there you go, it's got a lovely patina on it, it's well used. Where is it? Squire HS4, which is the high security for strongholds. Like I say, people are on here, oh I can pick it in 2 minutes, etc. But there you go, there's not many locks that people can't pick. But for your average scallywags, this will stop them, I dare say. There you go, thanks for watching.